I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Perfect.
Just hope you feel this, y'all. Subsides into the
running in here?
215s, Def 1s, Avatar.
215?
On 2 Audio Legions 5Ks.
Sound good.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me?
Alright, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.